Complex structures are often composed of smaller components or building blocks. For example, a house is built with a combination of smaller parts such as lumber, bricks, doors, and windows. Living organisms are built the same way. Their molecules are comprised of many smaller molecules and atoms. Adenine is an important building block for life. It is one of 4 nitrogenous bases found in deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and ribonucleic acid, RNA. DNA and RNA contain the genetic code of every living creature, including humans, plants, animals, fungi, and many microorganisms. Adenine helps to stabilize the nucleic acid portion of these molecules. Additionally, adenine is found in adenosine triphosphate, ATP, a molecule that carries the energy needed for work in cells. Adenine is a molecule made of carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen atoms. Its chemical formula is C5H5N5. When a base such as adenine attaches to ribose and phosphate, it forms a nucleotide. Adenine belongs to a nucleotide group called purines. A purine consists of a 6-membered nitrogen ring fused to a 5-membered nitrogen ring. The other type of nucleotide group is called pyrimidines. Pyrimidines consist of a single nitrogen ring, making them smaller than purines. Adenine and guanine are the 2 bases that belong to the purine group, and cytosine and thymine are the pyridamines. To remember these terms, try making up a mnemonic device. Take the first letter of each base and the nucleotide group they belong in, and make a sentence with them. For example, the purines, Alexander, adenine, the Great, guanine, was pure purines. For the pyrimidines, climb, cytosine, to the top, thymine, of the pyramid, pyrimidines. To understand further the location of adenine within a DNA molecule and its importance, let's first explore the physical nature of DNA. In 1953, scientists James Watson and Francis Crick determined that a strand of DNA is structured like a double helix, which can be imagined as a ladder that has been twisted. The sides of the ladder are composed of a sugar-phosphate combination. The rungs of the ladder are the nitrogenous bases adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Each individual rung consists of 2 bases bonded together by hydrogen bonds. Because of their size and structure, purines always pair with pyrimidines. Think of each base as a puzzle piece, each with a specific match. Adenine is always paired with the pyrimidine thymine. Guanine, the other purine, always pairs with the pyrimidine cytosine. These couplings are known as base pairs. Adenine is of equal importance in RNA. However, in RNA, adenine pairs with a base called uracil, as thymine is not present. It is this particular sequencing of the base pairs within strands of DNA that determine the unique genetic code of each living organism. Every living being has the same 4 bases in their DNA, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, and so it can be easily seen that it is their sequence that determines the vast differences amongst organisms. Before cell division occurs, DNA must replicate itself in order to pass on exact genetic information. When this happens, the DNA unzips and the base pairs separate. As each separate strand replicates, new bases come into pair with the existing ones. Once again, adenine is always paired with thymine, and new hydrogen bonds form to keep them together. Adenine is a key component in ATP. When adenine attaches to a ribose molecule and a chain of 3 phosphates, ATP is formed. ATP is an important molecule for life because it captures energy from food. All living organisms use ATP as their primary energy carrier. This energy provides fuel for cellular work such as muscle contraction, generation of electricity in nerves, and substance transport across cell membranes. The structure of ATP is shown here. On its own, adenine is just another molecule. However, as part of a nucleotide in DNA and RNA, and as a component of ATP, it is an integral part of life as we know it. Let's review. Adenine is an important building block for life. It is one of 4 nitrogenous bases found in deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA contain the genetic code of every living creature, including humans, plants, animals, fungi, and many microorganisms. Adenine helps to stabilize the nucleic acid portion of these molecules. Additionally, adenine is found in adenosine triphosphate, ATP, a molecule that carries the energy needed for work in cells. Adenine is a molecule made of carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen atoms. Its chemical formula is C5H5N5.